Hi everyone, my name is Will Pitorello and I'm a Senior Application Specialist here at FARO Technologies. I'm going to use my FARO Quantum Max probing arm in order to remeasure that part for which I created a program for this particular part. So if we have one part, you can measure really quick, then press the create program in the software and create what we call a QuickTools for that software. So I already did. As you can see, my FARO CAM2's software allows me to create those programs, and it's asking me now to remeasure, to repeat exactly the same thing that I did before. So, and as you can see, the green dots are kind of guiding me here where exactly I want to touch on that part as I need to move on to my inspection. So the left side of the part asks me to measure from north to south. That means the direction of the vector on that line, the side of the part. And now it's the front of the part. And what I want to do here is obviously measure this plane because we want to get into an alignment with that part. And once I'm done, everything is set in alignment. Careful, measuring in distance interval. What I mean by that is that I want to measure this bore, right, marked with the red dot, but I want to measure it with 50 points, and I set out the amount of points, and same thing for the smaller one, right? The same bore, the same bore in the middle, right? I want to measure with 50 points as well, okay? Now the holes, the 12 o'clock hole, I called it the 12 o'clock. I set it to measure with 4 points, and as soon as I'm completing, then the software asks me to go to the next one. Hole at 6, same thing, and as you can see, that red dot gives me guidance which hole is which, right? Now, switch from 6mm to 3mm probe. I put that as a guidance. I put a picture of that switch so you know how it goes, and simply because the next features that I'm gonna measure are smaller holes, and obviously the 6mm does not fit in there. So I call this one the hole at 1, and then the hole at 4, then the hole at 7, and finally the hole at 11. And next is the round slot. I also have the amount of points for that slot set as well. And as soon as I press OK, I escape out of that measure, the software finishes that program, and it takes me straight into reporting. So you can actually create that program from the beginning, importing your CAD model and reporting capability. The software is going to ask you to repeat pretty much everything that you did, that you created in that program, with pictures and guidance and things like that. And at the end, it's going to produce a report with different views if you'd like. And this is my confidential report, right? With a heading and all of the features that I measured or remeasured for the next part. All you gotta do now is just keep on pressing play, and the software will prompt you to move through the part. This is QuickTools, FARO CAM2 software, FARO Quantum Max probing arm. Thank you for watching.